women don't snore loudly. Women tend to huff and puff or purr. I mean, you have different terms, and you'll get this. I'm sure you see this in your practice. Whenever you ask a woman this, she will qualify how bad a snoring is and really downplay it most of the time, unless of course it's really bad. And then on the men's side, they just like, yeah, they just told me I snore and I snore loudly. So there's a lot of these things where in our heads we don't want to be associated with certain disease process because it in someone's head it's like it's someone who's poorly in poor health, who was overweight. But I'm not overweight. I can't have that. That's wrong.